brings the maggots to the yard, and peppermint oil, it is our guard. In all seriousness, today we are talking about maggots and how to prevent them. And one of the things that you can do is drizzle peppermint oil, which besides maggots and flies, most pests generally dislike heavily, including rodents and mice. You drizzle some peppermint oil, and in addition to that, we're going to go ahead and put some vinegar on here. So I'm just putting some on a paper towel. You can dilute it too. I'm just putting it directly on there because we've had a really bad year for maggots. So I'm just doing this just as another layer of prevention, just to keep the flies out of the garbage, particularly if you've got your garbage outdoors, but you've got it indoors. It also works. The peppermint oil smell can be really strong. Mostly it just smells like a candy cane when you go in your garage. A very, very strong candy cane.